Okay, this is the target 1 and 2 worksheet for unit 7. This is number 7, so specifically target 2 for number 7, 8, 9, and 10. So find the other endpoint when given an endpoint and a midpoint. So I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One way we did in class was we said that our other endpoint is going to be x comma y. So we have 4 comma negative 7 and x comma y, and then we can set up an equation. So the average of our x's, 4 plus x divided by 2, is going to equal the x of the midpoint, which is 1. Then I can solve that equation, multiply by 2. If I multiply by 2 and divide by 2, they cancel each other out. So 4 plus x is equal to 2. I can subtract 4, and x equals negative 2. We can do the same thing with the y values. Negative 7 plus y divided by 2. So the average of the y's, that's going to equal the y value 5. Multiply by 2 on both sides. Negative 7 plus y is equal to 10. Add 7 to both sides. I get y equals 17. So my endpoint should be negative 2 comma 17. I can check that by just using the midpoint formula. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 17 plus negative 7 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Another way to do this problem is to think of it from a transformation perspective. So if I start at the endpoint and I'm trying to translate to this midpoint, to go from 4 to 1, I'd have to go left 3 or subtract 3. So if I subtract 3 again, 1 minus 3 is at negative 2. So that gives me the x coordinate of the other endpoint. To go from the y value, negative 7, to 5, I'd have to go up 12 or add 12. And so if I do 5 plus 12, I get 17. So that's another way to do it without the algebra equation, and I like both ways quite a bit.